So we're on the eve of what's possibly going to be a tropical storm and hopefully not Hurricane Derby. Oh no, Debby. Hurricane Debby. But I'm here at a wonderful listing on Treasure Island. We got a nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I think I did a video about this earlier. $1,270,000. And it's weird. I'm looking at open house. I'm looking at the bay, and I'm pretty sure this is just going to get walloped with rain, walloped with wind. But we got an elevated home. We got an elevated seawall, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be fine. I'm pretty sure that this is why people come here to the water. Like, they have a sense that, you know, stuff happens, ish happens, as some real estate agents say, but you're here for a reason. If the home is properly built, if the home has been renovated, if the home has been essentially infrastructure added to mitigate any of the potential risks, then you get to enjoy this. The intercoastal here in Pinellas, on the way to the Gulf of Mexico. And you watch the storm. I mean, granted, these branches are going to come down. That's not just a rainbow in the sky. That'll eventually be lightning and thunder and howling winds. But you enjoy this, and you enjoy what comes with it. And that is sometimes ill weather. But you notice, you see a lot of boat docks that are elevated. You see a lot of boats kissing the tip of the water, not in it. And you have this view. I mean, this is why you have the palm trees here. Nature's learned to live with what comes with being on the water. And being on the water comes with these challenges. You know, to be honest, like, you know, it's safer inland technically, but you have the same types of things you got to worry about. And if you have a home, or you're looking for a home that's ready to take on the storms, you know, I'm your guide. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed agent with a real broker, and hoping for the best during this possible storm named Debby. And if you want to know more about living on the water, but you also want to know about, if you want to live on the water, what to do to make sure that you're safe, your family's safe, and what your options are when you're looking to be here, give me a call. My phone number is 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM on my TikTok and Instagram and all my other social media at CD Selling St. Pete. It's in the description below. Talk to you later, and for those of you that are in the path of the storm, you know, take care of your families, take care of what you got to do, get water. Don't go crazy with toilet paper like this was the pandemic. Get things that you need. Get water, get non-perishables like ramen noodles, etc. Chicken noodle soups, Campbell's, you know, Progresso, etc. But otherwise, you know, have a great weekend. Be safe. And if you're nowhere near the path of the storm, you're somewhere in Kansas, Idaho, Alaska, and you're looking to move to Florida, give me a holler. 727-303-1521, or at CD Selling St. Pete on all my social media.